Are you an iPhone user who wants to start streaming Netflix? In this video, I'll show you how to create a Netflix account on your iPhone in just a few simple steps. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Safari browser, tap the URL bar, type in netflix.com, and tap Go. Once you are on netflix.com, you'll see something similar to this. You can also follow the same steps that I'm going to show you in the Netflix app as well. So now what you want to do next is enter the email address you want to use for your Netflix account. Once you've entered the email address, just tap on the Get Started button over here. And it will take you to this page. Finish setting up your account. Netflix is personalized for you. Create a password to watch on any device at any time. Just tap on the Next button. So now you have to create a password for your Netflix account. Simply tap where it says Add a password and enter your password. And if you don't want to receive emails from Netflix informing you about their special offers, you can put a check on this. After that, tap Next. Choose your plan. No commitments, cancel anytime. Everything on Netflix for one low price, no ads, and no extra fees. Ever. Tap Next. So now you have 4 pricing plans to choose from. You can select the mobile plan, the basic plan, the standard plan, or the premium plan. So, depending on your budget, you can select one. What I recommend is the premium plan because you can stream 4K HDR content on your phone, tablet, computer, and TV. But if you don't have a device that supports 4K, then go with the standard plan. Once you've selected a plan that's right for you, scroll down to the bottom and tap on the Next button. So now all you have to do next is choose how you are going to pay for your Netflix subscription. I have the option to add a credit or debit card. Just tap on it and add your card details. After you enter the card details, scroll down to the bottom of the page and agree to their terms of service, then tap on Start Membership and your Netflix account will be created. Netflix will also send you a confirmation email to the email associated with your account. You need to open it and tap on the confirmation link to confirm your email. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.